Titan Buju Banton had to swallow her words and apologize to the LGBT community after an inappropriate outburst on Twitter recently. The 21-year-old Jamaican model took to the social media platform, hell-bent on criticizing government officials for the measures being taken to encourage more people to get vaccinated. Last month, the private sector organization of Jamaica sent out a statement calling on the government to get tough on people who refuse to get vaccinated. Several entities of the lobby group sent memos to staff requiring them to get vaccinated or take tests at regular intervals to prove they remain COVID-19 free. Myrie caught wind of the development on a Twitter share that stated, "It's CVM telling unvaccinated workers to provide a negative COVID test result every Monday or be sent home and pay deducted." She reposted the tweet and wrote, "This is what got me started." Abihail's repulsion at the new policy drew comparisons to those expressed by her father, which some users sought to point out. One Twitter user said, "Buju take up the wrong phone." Another wrote, "Chip no fly far from the block," which triggered a heated response from Myrie. She quickly clapped back, "No it didn't at all, but you soon know what else never fly far," and then proceeded to use the gay slur. After receiving backlash for her statements, Abby returned the following day to apologize to the LGBT community for the careless outburst. She said, "I know when I'm wrong, and especially in the age of awareness where we are pushing for inclusivity and togetherness. Allowing myself to use a slur we've long passed is wrong and I shouldn't have. But I'm Jamaican before anything else. To the LGBT community, I apologize to you all," she tweeted. She went on to explain why she got so upset and further stated that it shouldn't matter if persons are vaccinated or not, and most certainly shouldn't affect their means of making a living for their families. She then tweeted, "How can you feel good knowing that this is a week someone goes home, their pay is cut because they have reservations about the vaccine? That's bullying, and every day on a sit down yes and on a bully each other. What about their families? What about their kids that they have people to feed?" For the full article, check out the link in the description box, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on all socials at DancehallMag.